And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Bricks Landscaping with our outdoor landscape transformations, all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at IGTV. Now, I want you to make sure that you join our Landscape Geeks Learning Academy, where you learn how to put together outdoor landscape transformations that not only help you solve your landscape problems, but it also allows you to provide your customer with the best quality possible. Now, what you're looking at right now is a beautiful decorative walkway we're about to put into design. But one of the most important things when you're starting this process is the way in which you would have put in the edger border pieces. Now, these edger border pieces are going to make it necessary so that we never have to worry about that decorative gravel getting outside of this particular location of where we want the gravel to be at. Now, the edger border pieces are extremely important to your landscape design. These are black plastic pieces that have a 8-inch spike in them. And then we also go back with our erosion control fabric, which you see over here. That's going to make it possible for us to be able to ensure that there is never any grass that grows up in this area. And these are some of the ways in which we're changing outdoor landscape every single day. And it's one of the reasons why Landscape Learning Academy, we teach you how to install landscape installations the right way. So when you start talking about a way in which you can give your customer more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected, this is the way in which we do it. Now, these edger border pieces are absolutely necessary because they're going to give you the definition that you need in your landscape, and that's what we got taking place here. Now, as you can see, that walkway is going to extend itself all the way down here. We've already removed the existing grass. It's going to go to this drain box, and the goal here is to be able to take that water that was once moving to this drain box, which was actually making this area a muddy mess, and be able to soak it up real easy with the way in which we're going to be able to provide this design for the customer. And so these are some of the ways in which we're completely solving customers' landscape drainage problem. We're also giving them an outdoor landscape entertainment, and it's really the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around us, because we're always focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And so if you're a landscape professional, you're looking for a way in which you can enhance your landscape for your customer, you also want to make sure that you're going over and beyond in order to help them be able to see the value that they're getting. And when you can begin to give that type of quality in all of your work, you'll find that these opportunities are going to come tremendously, and you're going to be able to knock them out within less than a day or two. You're going to be able to have a great return, and everybody's going to be able to have fun while doing it. And so if you want to learn more, make sure you join our Landscape Geeks Learning Academy, where we show you all of our beautiful outdoor landscape transformations. Really quick, I want to show you this stone we're using. This is the Oklahoma brown flagstone. It's going to be a little bit more hardier than your crab orchard stone when it comes to the smaller pieces, but each one of these are going to be designed so that they go inside of this beautiful installation that we have here.